You have become a psychologist.
No, I don't know.
I don't know when you have become a psychologist. Well, you have followed us to the bus terminals, and you can see a lot of improvements. And so, if you are there, you are just reading me. I'm very happy with what I've seen. But all I've said, when you see some errors, you have to point it out. That does not make you not to be happy. The first time we went there, I expressed my dismay. We went down again and said, well, you have tried to improve. We're going there today, there are a lot of improvement. You cannot compare. And by the time the date for commissioning comes and you go back there, it will be something else. But just what's important is, it's unfortunate for a country like this, a federal capital territory, like what my friend said, the former governor of Benue State, that you cannot have such a thing. But you want to find all over the world. And you ask yourself every time we travel out, and it has not done another look. We should be able to have. So some people, critics, will say, what is wrong? Every day they want to build a motor park. You see how we degenerate. As far as I'm concerned, I'm very happy. I commend the local contractor who has put in his best. We could not to support them, and so we can get the best from Nigerians too. So we're happy. We're happy with what we're saying.
Okay, now the issue of painted taxi comes to mind. Now that we have bus terminals, is there going to be a policy by your administration to differentiate between painted taxis and private car owners? To reform the transport sector?
Obviously, a lot of things will happen in the transport sector. There are a lot of reforms. In fact, the committee is working. Before we get to even commissioning, we'll come up with our transport sector reforms. Because we have said, as part of security measures, we must know who are those who are involved in doing their taxi business and what color, so that if anything happens, we'll be able to identify. So just be assured that we are doing everything possible. We will do it, and this time around we are working on to see that we don't have a lot of parks on the road. And that's why you see when I told the contractor what it should be here is bus and taxi terminal, not just only bus terminal. So those who they take to the bus terminals will board the taxis from there and go to wherever they want to go.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.